Let's see how to activate internet banking for corporate users of Janata Sahkari Bank. First, you will have to submit an application at the branch to activate your internet banking, and after that you will receive corporate ID and user ID via SMS and a PIN generation link on your email. The first thing we do is we go to our mail and click on the generate PIN link in the mail received, and which will direct you to this page. Here you need to enter your corporate ID and user ID received via SMS and click on continue to proceed further. This will take you for further verification where you need to enter your account number, PAN of entity, date of birth of user and user's mother's name. After filling up the data, click on submit to proceed further. You will now need to enter the one-time password received on your mobile and email. After submitting the one-time password, your green PIN process will be completed and you will get the temporary passwords on your email. Now you can click on this link here and go to the internet banking page. Here you need to select the corporate option. Now we will fetch the temporary login and transaction passwords received in our email. We have received the system generated one-time passwords to login. Now we head back to the login page on a browser and enter the corporate and user ID first. We now need to use the login password to login. A new one-time password will be received on your mobile and email, which is to be entered here. This will lead you to the bank's terms and condition page, which you can scroll and read and then select I agree to submit. Now you have to select login theme or picture and name it. This will lead you to the security questions page where you will have to select two security questions and set their answers. Next, you will now need to verify your theme picture and name along with the answers to the selected security questions. Here you need to set your own login password by using the system generated login password received in your mail. Similarly, now you need to set a new transaction password using the system generated one received in your email. After submitting this, your password and security details are updated successfully and you are ready to use internet banking facility for your corporate account. Now anytime you want to use the internet banking, log in using your corporate ID, user ID and login password and you will arrive at the account's dashboard page.